The VECTIV Hypnum for light hiking, both on the trails and also in the city. VECTIV is our latest innovation for the trail, and this was developed for running in mind, but we brought it down also to hiking. VECTIV technology consists of two parts. First of all, we have a 3D molded TPU plate that goes all the way from the toe to the heel, and then we have a rockered midsole combined with an extra lightweight responsive foam. This will give you the forward propulsion, but also lateral stability. On the upper, we have an open air mesh. This will give you an excellent breathability. And then we've combined it with a knit structure on the ankle area. This knit structure will give you an excellent sock-like fit. And for extra protection, we have added TPU film on the toe and also on the heel. On the outsole, we have surface control. Surface control is a very sticky rubber compound that we placed in this shoe on the forefoot and then on the heel. These are the areas where you need the most. And we have 3.5mm lugs, perfect for all kinds of trails. So VECTIV Hypnum is perfect for your light hiking adventures and also for the city life.